Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make that cool spiral effect you see in the thumbnail, and it's a really straightforward and easy tutorial. So let's jump right into it. We're going to open up Photoshop, unlock your background, press G on your keyboard, otherwise just click on the gradient tool right over here. We're going to select the basic normal gradient from black to white, and we're going to go from bottom to top to create our. Next, we're going to press Command J to duplicate our layer, Command T to transform it, and now we're going to scale it down a little bit, just a little bit. I think this is fine, and then rotate a little bit as well. I'm going to go with maybe like 5 degrees. Press Enter to lock it in place, and then we're going to press a weird combination of keys, which is Shift, Option, Command, and the letter T. So just do that and it will basically duplicate what like your previous moves. So it'll duplicate your layer and transform it. So just keep pressing it until you get that really cool spiral effect. Looks cool, and we get that little like infinite stairway effect, which is really cool. At the end of everything, I'm just gonna select all my layers, press Command E to merge them all together. You can convert this into a smart object, so whatever filter you apply to this you can edit in the future. So I'll just add a little bit of noise because you guys know I love some noise. Press OK, and then that's basically it. Now to this you can add gradient maps, you can add whatever you want, and it'll get that really cool effect. That's it. It was really easy, I told you, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe, like, and comment if you like the content I make. Also, go follow me on Instagram. I post daily designs on there. I'm on day 415 right now, as of today, I think. So it's been 415 days of daily designing and without missing a day, so pretty tough work. Also, I'll leave in the description down below my gradient map packs and my texture packs. There's also some freebies on there, so definitely go check that link out. And yeah, I'll see you in a couple days. Bye!